Brandon Eccles here. I am the Ketchup Man. And here's my boy, Little Drip. Wave at the camera, Little Drip. Perfect. Alright. And boy, it's that time of year. It sure is chilly out. So today, we are going to be making a very Ketchup Man take on the traditional chili. We got a few ingredients here. You know, we are not, okay, it's just that too. We are not using cut up tomatoes, even though I got plenty. Look at these are all tomatoes from my garden. We are only using pure ketchup. So in this, it's not chili, it's Ketchi. Well, the Ketchup Man's here out in his little barbecue shack. You know, we're just going to take some of that Blackstone seasoning and we're going to get it all over there. Instapot time. Chili. 30 minutes. But first, we're going to throw in some butter. I don't know if you'll know. It's always butter. Meat. A little bit for my dog, too. Red beans, not in chili sauce. Dark red kidney beans. Can be substituted with light red kidney beans. 16 ounces Heinz ketchup. But for 2 pounds of meat and an extra can of beans, we're probably looking at 32 ounces. It's a 44-ounce bottle, so you know, a lot of it. The margarita mix. Just kidding. 1 dollop grape jelly. 1 packet mild chili. With some ground black pepper. This is what I call Ketchi. You know, some people really freak out when the grape jelly goes in, but let me tell you something. It gives a little sweetness and a thickness and just a jelliness to it.